Today we will talk about a very beautiful but less popular flowering plant which blooms round the year with almost no care. This is king's mantle. Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. This gorgeous flowering vine is known by various names such as Thunbergia Erecta, bush cloak vine and potato bush, and this is commonly known as king's mantle and Neelkant. The plant is native to Western Africa and it's climber plant, but it can be easily maintained as a bush. It's a very aggressive plant and grows really fast, so regular pruning is mandatory. And pruning promotes growth of several new branches, which means more flowers. The plant blooms with big purple color flowers with yellow center. This is how the flower buds look, and they emerge from nodes with almost each leaf. And once they bloom, they remain on the plant for 2 to 3 days before falling off. The plant loves full sunlight for flowering. However, you can grow them in partial shade also, but then it will produce lesser blooms. These flowers attract bees and butterflies, which will add a lively and colorful charm to your garden. So it's a highly recommended plant for all the gardeners, especially for beginners, as it requires almost no care and maintenance and blooms almost around the year. They are not at all fuzzy for their growing medium. You can grow them in any kind of soil, no need to prepare a special potting mix. However, adding compost once in 5 to 6 months will only promote more flowering. Prune your plant on regular basis to make it bushy, and more branches means more flowers. Also, you can use those branches to prepare a new plant. Grow them from cuttings during monsoon or spring season. So that's all for today, guys. Grow this no maintenance plant in your garden to get blooms around the year. I have shared few links. You can buy the plant, and that's all for today. See you soon with one more interesting video.